tour.
Yes, we're here.
Hello.
We're back.
From Manila.
From Manila. Yeah. We were here last year.
Oh, this long time ago.
Hello.
Here.
Remember your dog?
Yeah, you are very kind. In Mendo, I will open it.
Where is your wife?
Yes.
Honey, okay, please.
Pretty strong. I like it.
Iba yan eh. Alpha, ganun.
Ah, ganun.
Oh, makifera.
Nice.
So, this is right? Sandibo exactly.
Diretso Tagalog. Sabi niya, 1,000 eksakto.
It's a big fire.
Kasi,
Farm. Yeah.
nako, ayun yung mga beefs, oh. Yeah, those are the beefs.
For production.
So, yan na, Saigon.
Tayo na lang.
Okay, last on my bucket list. Ano ba? Chowlong ba?
Oo, chowlo.
Last po. Last on my bucket list. Pa.
Tagay dito, diyan ka lang.
Chowlong. Chowlong.
Oh, dito lang, dito. Sa mas mahaba. Oh, dito.
Okay, so yung chowlong daw dito lang sa Palawan and reddish dahil may atsuete, no? Pero parang Vietnamese pho din siya. Okay, so we'll get the pho.
Ito, beef stew for noodles.
Okay guys, so the chowlong is local here in Palawan, but it is almost the same as the Vietnamese pho. It's just that the chowlong has a reddish color because of the atsuete.
Oo, yun lang ako.
Okay.
Brisket.
Beef stew.
Ito medyo reddish orange.
Share tayo sa beer.
Yeah.
O ano.
Same with the pho in the States, but they use calamansi here instead of lemon. Mint.
That's the
and
lemon
bean
in the
sprouts.
Philippines.
Yeah. Taste test of Vietnamese pho in Palawan.
Ayaw ko yung noodles. Okay lang siya.
Ha?
Wait, ayun po.
Sama na. Lapit mo.
Yung bread. Dip mo siya.
Okay. Iba yung timpla dito sa Palawan.
Ay ba?
Parang may tamis. Parang may tamis.
Kayo iba?
Diba? So, the Palawan Vietnamese pho has a hint of sweetness. At the end, just a hint. Let's taste the beef.